Hello guys, again we are back again with a new unboxing, reviewing and testing of this AURIOL digital thermometer. 3 years warranty from Lidl, included battery, includes outdoor sensor with a 1.9 meters of cable. It's nice, with the adjustable warning signal when there is a risk of frost. Clear display with time, indoor and outdoor temperature. Measuring range is -50 to +70 Celsius. Integrated temperature, data saving, and we have in Celsius or Fahrenheit, include outdoor sensor. Okay, let's see what we have inside. We have this manual, big manual. If you want to read it, your choice, but stay with me. I'm gonna find out all about this device. Include this, the battery size, just pull that out. You can see the tape, you can put it into your dashboard. The sensor with a sticker. Now, there we've got the indoor temperature, the outdoor, and the timer. Of course, we've got the alarm on off. "24 hours, 12 hours, 15, 2020, month 2, day 5, and that was all, and the time. Okay, hold this alarm button and you can display the alarm time, and you can schedule the new alarm time. That's nice. The alarm is on, you can see the bell, and snooze and stop with this red button. And of course, in the memory you can see the max and the minimum temperature. You just push this button and we've got the max and the minimum temperature, and Fahrenheit, Celsius. For the frost warning, you can push the Celsius and Fahrenheit button, and you will see this indicator that it will warn you when it is a frost outside. And if you want to see from the time the month a day, you can push the time again and you can see that. Very convenient. I like it. Of course, if you want, you can use it into your home. Why not? If you want to see only the indoor temperature, that is convenient. If you want to see and the outdoor temperature, you can do that. You've got 1.9 meters of cable. You can adjust that from your window to the outside of your window. It costs only 4 euros, and why not? If you don't have a temperature indicator to your car, just buy it. It's very convenient. And with all that, guys, this is the end of the video. Thank you again for watching. Please subscribe, share this video. You never know who may need it. Hit the notification bell because more videos in the future coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.